Welcome to your second reading lesson this week. Today we'll be answering questions based on your reading. To help us answer the questions this week, we need to recap on some of our grammar knowledge. So firstly, can you remember what is a verb? Have a think. Go and tell someone what you think it may mean. So sometimes we get confused with verbs. So remember, a verb is a word, it's an action word. Here are some examples. So we have run, jump, write. Can you think of any more? What are you doing right now? Now I can think of some things you might be doing. You might be sat down, so sit. You're learning, so learn, listen, read. These are all verbs too. Here is a sentence. Can you identify the verb in this sentence? The bird flew to his nest. What is the verb in this sentence? So the verb is flew because this is what the bird is doing. Now we also need to remember what is a simile. We have looked at these in our English lessons before. Have a think. What might a simile be? So a simile is an expression which describes a person or thing as being similar to someone or something else, and we normally use like or as. Here's an example. She runs like a deer. So it's describing the person running like a deer. It's comparing them to something else. So your activity today is to read through our text again and answer these questions. The first two questions we've got today, number 1 and number 2, are focusing on our grammar knowledge. So you need to find the verbs in the text, and also there is a simile in there. So can you find that as well? Question number 4 is going to use your retrieval knowledge to see if you can remember some of the vocabulary we learnt yesterday. We looked at the word anxious, so what does anxiously mean? Have a go at all those questions. Well done for your hard work today, and I'll see you tomorrow.